Hey guys, what's up and welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name's Dani, and as you guys can tell from the title, in this video I'm just going to be sitting down and chatting with you guys about some of my current favorite things. I personally love videos like this. It reminds me of old YouTube, way back when, like all those old school YouTube videos, and I kind of want to get back into that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely going to be super casual, but there have been some things recently that I've been using, wearing, listening to on repeat, and I figured why not share. If this is the first time that you're seeing my face, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. It would make me the happiest person in the entire world. And make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up to date on my life and see what goes on when I'm not filming YouTube videos. And with all that being said, let's just get into it. So I'm gonna kick off this video by talking to you guys a little bit about some of my favorite beauty products. This first one I have been dying to talk to you guys about for the longest time, and I just kept on forgetting. It is the Isle of Paradise Medium Self Tanning Drops. This product has changed the freaking game for me. You don't even understand. I am one of those people, and I'm sure many of you guys are the same way, where I really prioritize my skin's health. I use a lot of SPF during the summer, and because of that, my body is always significantly tanner than my face, and that's not a cute look. I personally don't love that. So in order to fix that, I use this about every 2 days to every 3 days. All you have to do is mix in like 2 drops to your normal moisturizer, and then I usually let it sit for a little bit, and then I continue on with my makeup. I just love this thing so much. It is a little bit pricey, but I mean, I've had it for 3 months at this point, and I've barely made it down. I've never really been a big foundation person. I always just stick to BB cream, but a few months ago when I was on Instagram, I'm pretty sure it was Natalie Barbu, I think it was. So Natalie, if you're watching this, shout out to you because you changed my makeup routine forever. She was talking about this foundation right here. This is the Revlon Color Stay Normal to Dry foundation. My shade is 330, and she was talking about it, said that she really liked it. So I decided to give it a try, and I'm obsessed with it. I feel like I'm gonna say this 1,000 times, but this product really did change the game for me, and I feel like it's just stepped up my overall makeup routine, so I'm thrilled with this purchase. It's also a drugstore foundation that, in my mind, seems like high-end quality. So if you're looking for something along those lines, I definitely recommend that you guys pick this up. It also has a pretty big shade range, which is also a plus. So kind of along the lines of beauty, but also kind of not, I have been obsessed with these Olly vitamins recently. These are the Undeniable Beauty for Hair, Skin, and Nail vitamins. It's a blend of biotin, vitamin C, vitamin E, and keratin, and I picked these up like in the beginning of the summer, so I'm kind of running out, as you can tell, but they taste amazing. They taste like grapefruit, and I also haven't had them yet this morning, so I'm gonna eat mine now. But these things are so good. Let me chew. I've been dying to get more into vitamins recently. I just feel like it's a really good way to take better care of yourself, which is of course super important. And I feel like vitamins like these are a really good place to start because they're simple. It's really clear what exactly it takes care of, and they taste really good. I don't know how many minutes in we are to the video right now, but I have a feeling that some of you might have already commented about my earrings because they are a little bit more of a statement than what I normally wear, and they're super cute. So these hoops are from Boohoo. I got them a week ago from today, actually, and I have not taken them off. What I've realized recently about myself is that I am a creature of habit. When I find things that I like, I don't stop liking those things until someone gives me a reason not to love them. And I mean that wholeheartedly with very few exceptions, but these hoops match exactly what I was just saying because I might as well just sew them onto my body at this point. I love these things so much, mainly because of the quality. They feel like such incredible quality. They don't feel like they're hollow inside or anything. Like they feel like they'd be very expensive, and they look identical to the Jenna Fisher hoops, but these are a fraction of the price. So obviously I'll have them linked down below for you. I know these hoops are super trendy right now, like the chunky style of them. So if you guys are interested, you guys should pick them up because they're incredible, and then we can match. That'd be fun. Another thing that I've been randomly loving recently is the Sleep Pillow Spray from Bath & Body Works. This is the lavender and vanilla scent, and like you'd expect, every single night before I go to bed, I spray it on my pillow, and it's definitely more of a mental thing than anything, but I swear it makes me go to bed so much faster, and it also kind of makes me feel like I'm in a hotel with like turn down service and stuff like that. So I'm a huge fan. Definitely would recommend that you guys pick something like this up. Now on to fashion. I have a few fashion favorites that I'm super excited to share with you guys. The first one are Air Force Ones. I know, super unique, super original. You've never seen these shoes before in your entire life. I'm well aware. But I finally hopped on the bandwagon of buying these shoes, and I'm so happy that I did because I wear white platform sneakers all the time, but the issue is the ones that I have, which are the Supergas that I love, they're canvas, so when they get dirty, they stay dirty. And the good thing about these is the fact that they're leather. So I figured, why not do a little upgrade? With my first work paycheck, I treated myself to these shoes, and I'm super happy that I did. I don't really care if they're considered like basic or anything like that. I just wear things that make me happy, and I don't know. I don't think anyone will have a problem with it, but if they do, that's more on them than it is on me, I guess. I'm pretty sure I've spoken about this next item on my channel in the past, but just in case I haven't, I have been wearing this shirt crop top sports bra thing. I don't really think I can call it a shirt considering the fact that it's like this big, but I've been wearing this thing all the time. It is from Urban Outfitters. They're out from Underline, and it has that material that I don't know what it's called, but it's super thick, so that's really cool because I don't have to wear a bra with it. It is so incredibly comfortable, and I've been able to wear it with leggings, with jeans. I like dress it up with some gold jewelry. It really is such a versatile piece. I didn't think I was gonna get this much use out of it, but now I wanna buy it in like 1,000 different colors. And my last fashion favorite is going to be a little difficult for me to show you, so I'll insert a picture on the screen of me wearing it, but I recently picked up this dress from Zara. I'm obsessed with it, mainly because it embodies everything that I've been loving for the summertime, just in general. I have been loving this color recently. I think it's been my color of the summer. Every summer I seem to have one of those, and I think this year it's this color of pink. It is a maxi dress, which I always love. It has a really nice slit on the side, and it's a really light, silky material, which makes it super lightweight to wear during the summertime. I'm gonna be super upset when I have to go back to school because I know there's going to be nowhere that I can wear this dress, but for the time being, I've been wearing it at least once a week, just like throwing it on to run random errands because it's that easy, and I've just been loving it. I don't know if I'll be able to find a link to this exact dress because I did buy it when it was on sale. I think I got this dress for like $10, which is crazy, but if I can find anything similar, I'll make sure to link it down below. And my last tangible favorite is this nail polish from Essie. I love these nail polishes in general. This is the Essie Gel Couture line. I own like 5 of them, but recently this has been my favorite shade. It's in the color Signature Smile, and whenever I use these nail polishes coupled with the top coat that you have to use with it, my manicure lasts for like 2 weeks without chipping. It's wild, and I don't have to go to a nail salon to do it. I can just do it myself at home, and I don't have to worry about spending that money every 2 weeks. I had so many issues just getting those words out. I hope you understood what I meant. I'm slightly distracted because my body is just covered in bug bites. I went to a party this past weekend and just didn't wear bug spray at all, and I'm paying the price for it now because I'm suffering. My life is so hard, obviously. Yeah, bug bites. That's the most of our world's issues, right? Yeah. I'm always getting questions about the music that I've been listening to recently and these podcasts that I listen to on a regular basis. And if you guys want to follow me on Spotify, you can totally do that. I make monthly music playlists that I love doing so much. It's like one of my favorite things that I do, especially because that means that in a year from now, I can go back and listen to what music I was listening to in August of 2019. It's so much fun. It's a nice way to just like go down memory lane a little bit. But if you guys want to listen to some of my music, hopefully find some cool new stuff, make sure to go follow me on there. The link will be down below. But just off the top of my head, I have been listening to a lot of Jon Bellion. He's my current favorite. Who else? Chance the Rapper's new album is really, really good. I always am listening to Quinn92. He is my all-time favorite artist. Who else? Chelsea Cutler, Jeremy Zucker, all those people. These are the people, oh, and G-Eazy. All those people are the first ones to come to mind, and they have been my most recent favorite artists to listen to. And then as for podcasts, I listen to Views by David Dobrik and Jason Nash. Girls Gotta Eat is my all-time favorite podcast. I listen to it every single Monday religiously. Pretty Basic with Remy Cruz and Alicia Marie. What else? Gals on the Go, of course. There's definitely some other ones that I'm neglecting to talk about right now. I'm gonna have a bunch linked down below, more than what I'm talking about right now, for you guys to go check out. I listen to a lot of funny podcasts, like dating, relationship kind of stuff, but then also a lot of the YouTubers that I watch make podcasts, and I like to listen to those as well. That is going to be it for my video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to let me know in a comment down below. If you watched to the end of this video, comment down below what product you use that I need to try, because I'm always looking for new products, preferably ones that will break me out of my current routine. That's always nice. And it will also let me know that you guys watched to the end of this video. Also, make sure to subscribe if you've yet to do so. Follow me on Instagram. What else can I plug? That's pretty much it. And I'll talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye.